In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet unusual asymmetrical picot trim. Before I made a row of double crochet stitches, I'm going to make picots on the top of the double crochet. To begin our row by making a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over the hook to work with double crochet and make double crochet into the second stitch. On the top of this double crochet I will make a picot. For this, chain of 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then yarn over the hook and find the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into this stitch and make double crochet into this stitch. Continue 2 half double crochet into the same chain stitch. Yarn over the hook and make the first half double crochet and make the second one. Continue single crochet into the same stitch. And to complete the picot, work a slip stitch into 2 loops of the double crochet. The asymmetrical picot is ready. Let's make some doubles. And crocheting the picot again, make the first double crochet. Make the second double crochet. Now make the picot. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook and double crochet into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Continue with 2 half double crochet into the same chain stitch. First one and make the second one. And single crochet into the same chain stitch. And to complete the picot, insert the hook into 2 loops of the double crochet by working a slip stitch. The second asymmetrical picot is ready. Let's make double crochet one more time into the next stitch. And we will stop and look. Here what we have got beautiful 2 asymmetrical picots. With this video tutorial you have learned how to do an asymmetrical picot trim. This is front side. And let's take a look at the back side. You can make such picots on the top of different tulle stitches such as double crochet, treble crochet and double treble crochet stitches and so on. Find a lot of patterns, charts, diagrams and step-by-step tutorials at ShareKnitting.com. Thanks for watching!